Hello guys, my name is Kershid. I hope you all are doing well and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Limitless Factzz. Today's topic is about some crazy and colorful animals who look photoshopped. You may have caught sight of one or two of these outrageously bright colored animals at an animal sanctuary. You'll definitely be blown away by how many others you've never seen or heard of. By the time you're done poring over this list, you'll swear that Mother Nature is a total Photoshop queen. So let's get started. Pink river dolphin. The Amazon river dolphin, also known as the Boto, Bufio, or pink river dolphin, is a species of toothed whale classified in the family Inyatidae. The Amazon river dolphin is the largest species of river dolphin, with adult males reaching 185 kilograms in weight and 2.5 meters in length. Adults acquire a pink color, more prominent in males, giving it its nickname pink river dolphin. Blue pit viper. Blue pit viper, Indonesian pit viper or Sunda white-lipped pit viper is a venomous pit viper species found in eastern Java and the Lesser Sunda Islands, Indonesia. Their color patterns are often found to be green or a blue-green color, with specific populations even containing yellow variants as well. Madagascan sunset moth. The Madagascan sunset moth is a species of day-flying moth of the family Uranidae. It is considered one of the most impressive and appealing-looking lepidopterans. At first, the moth was thought to be from China or Bengal, but was later found to be endemic to Madagascar. It is found throughout the year in most parts of the island. Muratus peacock spider. Muratus volans is a species in the jumping spider family Salticidae, belonging to the genus Muratus peacock spiders. These spiders are native to certain areas in Australia and occupy a wide distribution of habitats. Males of this species are characterized by their colorful abdomen flaps that are used to attract females during courtship. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck, Aix galericulata, is a perching duck species native to the East Palearctic. It is medium-sized, at 41 to 49 centimeter long with a 65 to 75 centimeter wingspan. Outside of its native range, the mandarin duck has a large introduced population in the British Isles and Western Europe, with additional smaller introductions in North America. That's all for today. If you liked my content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Take care everyone.